in this lecture I'm going to show you about how actually YouTube rank your video. So it's really simple, but I will explain you with an example showing how really YouTube ranks your video. So let's get started. I have searched for keyword iPhone 6. These are the results of iPhone 6 and these videos has been ranked by YouTube and it is in the topper page. So first we'll see the first video. So the important things that is required for your video to get ranked in YouTube is the number of subscribers. You can see that this video has really lot number of subscribers and the view for this video is also very high, and I'm sure that this video has been shared many number of times, and you can see there are vast number of comments too for this video. So these are all the important factors that YouTube consider for your video to get ranked. So this is how YouTube rank your video. If you really have good number of subscribers and lot of viewers and more number of comments, then your video will get ranked soon. So this is the second video in the page. The subscriber number is high, the viewers number is high, and equally there are a lot of comments for this video. So if you want to get these number of views and subscribers, you have to spend a lot actually, but that is not necessary. I am providing a software with this course through which you can get lot of visitors to your video and many of them can subscribe to your video. So my software will definitely help you out to get more number of subscribers and more number of views. So make sure you make using of my software and automatically your video will get ranked soon. So that's it for this lecture. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to contact me. I'll be always there to help you.